Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into Descript, a powerful AI tool that lets you edit videos with just text and create AI voices. We will cover everything from its features to editing and voice cloning. Descript is an all-in-one platform for audio and video editing, simplifying content creation. It has automatic transcription, screen recording, and AI features. Descript offers hobbyist, creator, and business plans monthly. It's $19, $35, and $50 respectively, with discounts for annual plans. The main difference is transcription hours and AI speech minutes. There is also a free version, but it's limited. Once log in, you will see your project's recordings, AI speakers, and templates. To start a project, choose video or audio. Upload a file, select the language, and Descript transcribes it. You can then edit by deleting text, and the video adjusts accordingly. Descript's AI Underlord offers features like eye contact correction and repurposing. You can create clips from long videos, find highlights, and even generate YouTube descriptions. On the right side, you can add effects, transitions, captions, and stock media. Shortcuts key like backlash for new scenes and alt-click for skipping helps speed up editing. Descript lets you add AI speakers to your transcripts. You can choose from stock voices or create your own. Voice cloning involves recording your voice, which Descript then processes. While AI voices are convenient, pronunciation can sometimes be an issue. You can adjust it by changing the spelling or pronunciation settings. To improve audio, adjust volume in the timeline view using Alt-click. Underload also offers features like clarity editing, studio sound, and filler word removal. Underload can enhance audio clarity, remove filler words, and shorten word gaps. Studio sound improves audio quality by reducing echoes and muffling. You can also add chapters to your audio files, which is especially useful for podcasts. Descript suggests chapter points, and you can add time spans to your script. Descript simplifies video and audio editing with its AI features and text-based editing. It's great for quickly creating and repurposing content. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Descript features.